Nothing Phone 3A Pro 5G. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are getting our hands on the latest from Nothing, a phone that's all about pushing boundaries without breaking the bank. This is the Nothing Phone 3A Pro 5G, and trust me, there's a lot to talk about. First impressions? This thing is a head-turner. Nothing has once again delivered on their signature transparent design, complete with the iconic glyph interface. It's not just a gimmick, it's a notification system that's a whole vibe. And speaking of design, the build quality feels fantastic. It's got that solid, premium feel you'd expect from a flagship. But it's not just about looks. Flip it over and you are greeted by a stunning 6.77-inch flexible AMOLED display. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, everything from scrolling through social media to gaming feels incredibly smooth and vibrant. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor with 8GB of RAM handles everything you throw at it with ease. It's fast, it's efficient, and it gets the job done. Now, let's get to the cameras. On the back, we have a triple lens setup, a 50MP main lens, a 50MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultrawide. The telephoto is a huge addition, and in my testing, the photos are sharp and detailed. Plus, the 50MP selfie camera is a beast. While some user reviews are mixed on the overall camera performance, I've found it to be a very capable system for most situations. Battery life is another story. The 5000 mAh battery is more than enough to get you through a day of heavy use, and when you do need to top up, the 50W wired charging is lightning fast. We're talking 50% in under 20 minutes. So even if you're a power user, you're never out of the game for long. So, what's the verdict? The Nothing Phone 3A Pro 5G is a strong contender in the mid-range market. It brings flagship features like a stunning display and a powerful processor, all wrapped up in that unique Nothing design. And with its current listed price of around 28,000 rupees, it offers an incredible amount of value. While battery and camera feedback is mixed, this phone stands out from the crowd and is definitely worth your consideration. Let me know what you think in the comments below.